I guess the short-term plan is to get rid of this dirt over the wall and work on getting the floor of the basement and media room done. Today is Tuesday. Bit by bit the foundation goes higher. I'm standing pretty much in the pool right now. Where those columns are to where those concrete blocks are will be the patio area, the extensive patio area around the pool. They put some of the bags of cement came in on top of the block, I guess, to keep dirt from falling into the open blocks. Well, it looks and smells better after they plowed up that field. It's almost like, looks like a homeless shelter in Tampa. I'm pretty sure, since the top of these blocks is also the floor of the main floor, that the foundation is going to have to be built up to there all the way across. So really, what looks like a lot of dirt here, if you think about the block having to go all the way up and that void being filled in with dirt, looks like a lot of dirt, but it's not. They have to bring in some more. I'm more than certain. I think I count 17 guys here, plus there's 4 or 5 in the back in the basement working, so it's pretty good sized crew. This area where I'm standing, it's got 4 columns. This will be the portico, the covering for coming off the driveway. We'll park the car and it'll be under a canopy, a roof. Okay, this truck and the 2 guys I think are coming here to start putting up forms to pour concrete on the floor and also I think the roof of the basement area. Putting up forms for the columns in the basement. You can fill those in with concrete. I'm beginning to see where the rooms are going to be. Okay, this is the first try using a new camera, the DJI Pocket 2. It's kind of got the same gimbal as the DJI drones. The advantage is supposed to be a lot smoother because of the gimbal. I was busy this morning, so I didn't get out here till about noon. Today's Wednesday, and I can see there's already another 2 or 3 layers of block that have been laid. The room is becoming more defined.
Qu'est-ce qu'on a qui bouge une boîte?
Looks like a cement volcano. They make some concrete to pour into the holes. That's what those guys are doing up there. They're putting all the concrete in. All right, they are pouring concrete into the columns. Basement. Okay, he's making sure that all the concrete is down there, no air gaps. It's Thursday, and we had some rain last night, yesterday afternoon. Actually, I had to leave a little bit early yesterday because of the rain. I got home just in time before the skies really let loose, so I didn't get that wet on the motorcycle. I guess that's going to be the top row right there, 2 blocks. Those 2 blocks. Because it's congruent with the top row back in the basement area. It looks like they're also beginning to fill in some of the areas with dirt. Along the base of the foundation. So it's been 6 weeks, and I think we've come a long way. Not a very big crew today. I count 9. Maybe it's the weather. I think we had 17 yesterday. Little thunder. Looks like some rain over there, so I'm probably going to pack it in and head home. Maybe raining tomorrow also.